In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share links in Google Chrome vertical bar, how to share or forward a web page in Google Chrome browser. To begin, we are going to use the address bar at the top of the Google Chrome window. Next, click the URL in the address bar. The URL will become selected, which usually means it is highlighted so you can easily copy it. Go to the website you want to share to others. Now, you have two common options for copying. One option is to right-click the highlighted URL. When you right-click, a menu will appear with various choices. From that menu, select Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can copy the URL without using the right-click menu. On Windows, you can press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, you can press Command+C. Either shortcut copies the currently selected URL. Once the link is copied, you are ready to paste it wherever you want to share it. The next step is to paste the link into a message, a document, or any app that supports text. You can paste it into an email, a chat window, a social media post, a note, or a browser address field for your own use later. Before you paste, move your cursor to the place where the link should go. Click the message box, the text field, or the document area you want. Then paste the URL into that spot. That covers everything you need to know.